Oh yes, it's true. I lost, in one summer, 6 phones in the same lake.
6 phones in the same lake.
But Mass Adventure, didn't you try to put it in a thing, or try to put it in that thing, or try this new gadget to keep it? Oh yeah. Started with this one. Tried this one. Has a different zipper lid. Tried that one. Bought a few of these waterproof. But you know what? These are great. But you know what happens? The little clips. They come out. They just fall out. Waste. Tried some weird off-brand one. Doesn't fit your phone in there. So I was like, alright. Because at this point, I've lost 6 phones. I'm out some sunglasses. I'm out. My wallet got wetter than heck one time. And everything in my wallet is just screwed at this point. I don't know what to do. Because, you can just keep your ID on you. Well, I'm the type of person that if you take one thing out of your wallet, it might never end up in your wallet ever again. I don't know if y'all are like that, but I definitely am like that. My head wouldn't attach, it'd be gone type person. So, I was like, and then my towel and stuff would get soaked. That's when I got this Sea to Summit brand compression dry sack. And I did my research. We were at the Sportsman's Warehouse in Roanoke, Virginia. And it has the air purge, lightweight, waterproof. Highly recommended. Didn't read any really bad reviews on this. It's the medium. It's the, what is this? The 14 liter. And it compresses all the way down to 4.5 liter if you needed to. So, bought this. It was maybe like $20, $25, something like that. This here is the sack. You just fold it down like this. Flip it. And then, we don't have anything in here right now. But you guys are about to see it in all its glory. So, then it has this topper here, which loosens and tightens. It's full of air right now, but this is also good for hiking. Doesn't have to be just like kayaking and stuff, but this is mostly what I use it for. Be good for hiking if you don't want to get. And then this has the vent, so it compresses down, lets all the air out, but not water in. So it's a perfect little thing. Has a handy strap right here. You know, I've tried it a few times, and it really held up in my test of water, which you'll see here. Things, I got all my dry clothes in here, snacks, everything. Phone, wallet, keys.